Hey everyone, welcome back to Alex 3D Works. Today, we're building a custom engine bay for this little guy, perfect for DIY robots, IR cars, or anything using an ESP32 or Arduino. We're doing the full design in FreeCAD. Let's create a new body and open a sketch. Select the XY plane. Now let's create a rectangle with the center in the middle of the axle. Measurement of 40 × 19 millimeters. Pad 3 millimeters. Let's select the bottom and open a new sketch. Now we will select all external lines using the external geometry tool. Then create a rectangle for 3 sides. Those will be our walls. If you use a different motor, adjust the measurements. Select the left part of the body, open a new sketch. Select all external line using the external geometry tool, then create a new rectangle. This will be 2 × 20 millimeters. Then using the dimension tool, select the left corner and put 8.5 millimeters distance. If you're enjoying this, hit like and subscribe. It helps me build more. Pad using 5 millimeters. Now let's reinforce the walls, select the top walls and open a sketch. Using the external geometry tool, click on all left lines. We will create one rectangle of 1 × 9 millimeters, then another one connecting with the external rectangle. Let's close the sketch and pad 10 millimeters. Let's create the holes for fixing the motor. Click on one long wall and open a sketch. Then click on the external lines with the external geometry tool. Now create a circle of 3 millimeters. Using the dimension tool, give them 33 millimeters distance. From the left line, now using the same tool, 5.5 millimeters from the bottom line. Let's close and click on Truffle. Let's click the support wall and open a sketch. Now we will create a hole there, select the external geometry tool and click on all external lines. Now draw a circle of 3 millimeters. Distance from the bottom line, 14 millimeters. Distance from the left wall of 1.5 millimeters. Press Pocket and click. Let's create the holes for connecting to any modular chassis. Click on the bottom body and open a sketch. Create a 3 mm circle and then create a slot as on the video. Don't forget to click on All External Line with the External Geometry tool. Then, using the Distance tool, give them 10 mm distance from the left line and another 10 from the circle. Press Pocket and click. Now let's create two housing for the screws. Click again on the body and open a sketch. Now using the External Geometry tool, click on all line of the slot and then the circle. Now with the Circle tool, create a circle of 3 mm using the center of the previous circle and then another one of 5 mm. You can see all line in green. Now using the Arc and the Line tool, select the old slot. Now create a new one with 2.5 mm large. Close, and using the Pocket tool, give them 2 mm length. Now you can see the housing. Click on the top of the wall and open a sketch. Let's create the two wall support for the top holes. Now create two rectangle of 10 per 1.5 mm on both walls. And after selected all external line, give them 28 mm distance from the left line. Pad 18 mm. Let's create the holes. Click on the external wall and open a sketch, then create a 3 mm circle. Using the Dimension tool, give it 32 mm distance from the right line and 18 mm from the center of the bottom circle. Later, we will move the wall to have the holes more canted. If you want the full parts list and more details, you can find everything on my website, alex3dworks.com. Remember, I don't share STL files. I want you to learn to design them yourself in FreeCAD. If you like this project, hit that subscribe button. I've got more 3D Print Plus Arduino builds coming, including a full robot chassis. And let me know in the comments if you want to follow up with the full robot frame, or open the previous sketch, and on the distance between the line, we will reduce to 26 mm. As we done before, we will create the housing for the screws. Let's click on the external wall and open a sketch. Now click on both circle with the External Geometry tool. Then create a circle of the same diameter and another of 5 mm. Close the sketch and pocket length of 1 mm.